Hi everyone, here we've got HAFURY Note 10 and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to open the list of apps and find the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system, click on advanced and here we've got reset options, so let's tap on it. Now you have to choose the second option and now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, click on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm and click on reset settings again. Let's wait a second, and as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your HAFURY Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.